Today we are going to generate a list of motorcycles. So let's start with that. Motorcycles. Mm. And print motorcycles. But if you want to replace one of them, you just need to call the list. In this case, we are going to replace another equal to, yeah, Harley. And we will see what it happens when we replace that. Uh, we need to, but we first we need to save. We can call it motorcycles and run it. We have an error here, so let's see what it's happening. Print. There you have it. The second item was changed.